Welcome, my name is Balaj and we are here with the Harman Kardon Traveler, which is a tiny little Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, it has a quite slim design. You can easily put it into your jacket because it's so tiny, and you have an up to 10 hours of battery life, which is amazing because you can just take this with you on the go into a hotel room, for example, and you don't have to wear, for example, a headset or listen to the horrible speakers of your smartphone or your notebook, because you have really great sound coming out of here, and even a dual microphone system for conference calls, which you can take with this one quite easily. On and off switch and Bluetooth button are also available, and also a volume rocker and a tiny LED row here, so you know how much it is charged. So again, Harman Kardon, completely metal body on the front and the back with good sound coming out, as you will hear in a minute. Then you have also the possibility to use it as a USB charger via a standard USB port with 2500 milliamps that you can use, for example, to charge your iPhone 10 almost completely. Micro USB and a jack, so you can also use it without the Bluetooth feature for even a longer runtime. It's not only available in silver, but also here in a regular matte black, which looks quite good, and also dark blue. If you are a preferer of a blue kind of design, then that's also for you. So obviously you want to listen to it also a little bit, so let's check out the black one, which I'm connected with. You can see the tiny blue LED, so we know that we are connected via Bluetooth. And let me switch here a little bit the music. And then 70%, this is how it sounds like. And that's 70%, so if I turn up to the 100% volume. There's a nice clear sound, there's even a little bit of bass coming out, so it's really a nice addition to, as I mentioned, to your slim notebooks that you have nowadays, or just using it instead of your smartphone as a conference call device and a good music listener on your travels. That's why it's called the Harman Kardon Traveler, with up to 10 hours of battery life. $149 US is the price, MSRP obviously. 10x 10 peace, and again, my name is Balaj and thank you much for watching.